Hey everyone. Okay. Oh, good. I have my voice. My voice is back. So, it's my first video since last Friday. Now, I have found something that I think is so awesome. I was inspired by Cards and Coffee Time on YouTube. I was watching one of her card videos, and she showed this organization thing that she does for her little what are they called, enamel dots. And I thought, I wonder if there is a way that there's a bigger product that would fit what I'm looking for. So I went searching on Amazon, you know, Amazon, king of the jungle there, and I found these 4x6 top loader. Is it blurry? Top loader. What are they called? Postcards. They're postcards, but it's the rigid. This is all that you get. So I'm going to link it in, I'll link the Amazon thing I got. What is it? I'll link it in the description box below, which one I bought, because this is all they give you. It's all they give you. And so this is a 4x6 rigid postcard holder. And this one is the 3x5 postcard, or no, top loader. This is this one. So, and it's like a baseball, it's a baseball thing, card holder. So I got this one, and then I got this one, because this one was a different one also. So this is a 3x5, and then, well, you can't, do I have a paper? Yeah, I do have a paper. Let me see if you can see. So you have that one. I had this one, because I wanted to see what would work for me. And because, you know, I have a ton of stickers, and I wanted to see what would work for embellishments and all that stuff. So this is 4x6 postcard. This one right here is, it's called, this is the middle one, Ultra Pro Graded Card Submission. That's what that one's called. It holds cards up to 3 3/16 and 4 1/4. So that's this middle one. And then, oh, did it take the, yeah. And then this one right here is this one, the Ultra Pro. So I have three varieties. The one that I keep refilling is this one, the 4x6. It's a game changer for me. Sorry, I remember my tonsils came out 2 weeks ago, and I'm still hurting, so sorry if I sound weird or I'm smacking my throat. So this is the one I've used the most. This is the one I've ordered the most refills. I have filled 225 of these, and I just bought another 100, which I could probably fill another 25. So they are so good. This size right here, I recommend completely. Now I'm going to show you what I have done with this. So these are the ephemera packs. I am using this for nothing but ephemera. That was the difference between Cards and Coffee Time, was I'm using this for ephemera. I get a ton of these packets like this, you know, from Citrus Twist, Doodlebug. I did everything. I'll show you right now. But instead of leaving it in its package, I decided to try and see if they would fit here. And they completely do. So I'm going to show you what I've done. So it is a life-changing thing for me, because it is so much nicer, and your stuff won't get bent. So some of them will fit in just like that, and then look, it's upside down, you guys. It's upside down and nothing comes out. It is so tight that nothing comes out. And look, it's so clear. You can see the back of what you have in this packet right here. So let me move this out of the way. So this is the ephemera, you know, all the ephemera I use. So because if you see my room tour, I keep all my embellishments like this. All my stickers and everything. They come in collections, and I keep them in their collections. So like they're labeled pink, Pretty Little Studio, Pink Paisley, and Pink Fresh are all in here. So what I did is I took all my little embellishments, and so what I did is I cut out the packaging, and I made it fit, and look at that, and look, nothing falls out. See, it's upside down. See, it's open, so I can put my fingers in there, grab my stuff, and nothing falls out. It is absolutely divine. So not only does my stuff not get bent like it does in here, you know, when you just shove your stuff in here like this, it doesn't get bent and it doesn't fall out, and I don't have these big old bulky packages like this. It's all one size and it all fits like a card slot inside my container. Now what she did too is she bought those they're like little sticky hangy things, so you can get the hangy tags that stick to these packages, and then you can, if you have a clip it up or whatever, you can clip them up this way. This is how I organize my stuff in general, so that is what I did. And then I have the little one, what is this one? I think this is this one is the 3x5. Yeah, this one, the 3x5 top loader. So, because I had, you know, I've used most of my stuff, so you can downgrade when you use up your stuff. You can change it into the smaller containers, which that's what I did because I don't have that much left of this one. So these are all the small containers. Here's the Ultra Pro. So I did Pretty Little Studios because it was big enough but small enough to still fit in this one. So yeah, that's what I like. You choose a size that works for you. It's actually divine. It really is. I cannot believe how I'm just in awe that this works. So the 4x6 postcard, guys, just yeah. So I have more coming tomorrow because I totally can use more stuff. And I love how clear it is. It's so clear that you can see everything. Now I'll show you my December daily. I'm going to do a separate video on my December daily because I'm going to do it Traveler's Notebook style. But this is the setup I have right now for just one of them. And I got this at Michael's, and I just added the little little things right there, little embellishments. But this is how I have it set up so far. So I'll do I have plenty of stuff for my December for Christmas. So so I have more to show. So that'll be a separate video, but I just wanted you to see the little setup in case you don't see that video. But look I put all the Christmas ones all inside. Yep. And then I put these in the small ones so they don't come out. So if you drop it, nothing comes out. The little extras I have, it is so phenomenal. I put some of the wood veneers I have. I put them in here. These will fall out. Some of these will fall out because it's open so far up, and the little stars that were in there were not shoved down. So I recommend if you had like the little stars, you put them down below first and put the bigger stuff when it's open this much. So because other than that, then look, it won't fall out. So put the little stuff that would get out because it's so thick or so wide open, put them on the bottom, and you won't have any troubles. So, and I mean, like I have it all. I completely went to town with this. I put some of my doodle bugs in here, and yeah, it's phenomenal. I can't say that enough. I am so glad I discovered this, that I tried something new, and that I went with my gut with trying to find a bigger packaging. And I'm in awe because I am an organizational junkie. I live for organization, and this makes my heart pitter patter with joy. So you can put like these inside the 3x4s also, but like I said, I ran out. So, but I would rather get rid of the packaging and get rid of the packaging. Sorry, and just have the stuff in here. That's the gardener. Sorry, he'll be out of the front door in a second. And stick it in here and have it more, that way it doesn't get ruined. And then all I do is take off this like Jolie's, that way I know who the little manufacturer is. And because it's so flimsy, just stick it in the back. By the time you're done, your fingers are going to hurt if you did it all in 3 days like I did. So that's the only bad part too. So here you go. You have the manufacturer. You can see what's in front. If you wanted, you could put a white cardstock in the back so you could see it a little bit more if it has that kind of packaging in back, or just lift up the packaging, lift it up here, and then you can see it, and then you can see the Jolies in the back, vice versa. So yeah, I cannot get enough. I have been going to town. My fingers are all jacked because I'm like, it's just, it's fun. And all you do is lift it up. So all I do is lift it, hold it open, stick what I need there, what I need to in there, and that's it. So it's, yeah, it's great, guys. So I hope this helps you. Please share the video. Please share this video. Please, you know, get this out, because I think this is the way for us to go. I think this is the way that we should do things, because it doesn't come out, it's tight, but it's thick enough that it won't bend your flowers, it won't bend your sentiments, it doesn't bend anything because it's so rigid. I mean, it's rigid. So bravo, Cards and Coffee, thanks for bringing this to my attention. Yeah, I can't get enough of this, so I can't wait to do more. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully this helps you, because I am in love. Alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.